Hello, my internet friend. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm sorry for uploading a video after so many days because I was busy in my college Viva and also in this website. Well, you must be thinking why I have opened this website. So today's topic is on this website only, COVID Help. So this website is about COVID help is related to helping those people which are in need of oxygen bed plasma. So we all know today's pandemic of corona is so pathetic in India and in Maharashtra state and also other states too. This website is created by me with other resource persons here. So these are all resource persons which all help me to get the information about data about all the hospitals and all, like where oxygen are present or not. So this website helps those people who need oxygen beds and all. So I wanted to tell about this website and also the coding behind this website, how you can build this website. First, I will tell you, like, if you have any uh, people who are need of these oxygen beds or all, so you can share this website to them. So it will be helpful for them. But one thing is that this website is built for only for Maharashtra state as per now. Uh, I will soon update more states of India, and also I'm thinking for global use, like after updating many other things too. So let's start with the logic behind this website. So you can also create this website in 2-3 days. So you can see here, first of all, this is an Chrome extension, Vaporizer. Vaporizer. If you don't know, you can go to my Insta account and I have posted a reel on that, like how to use and what it is. So you can check this out on my Instagram account. Link is in my description. So this basically tells you about a particular website, what language it is made of which language or which framework, what it is used as, fonts, what fonts are used. So you can see it is made in Bootstrap. I have used version 5 Bootstrap. It took hardly about 2-3 days to make this website because I have using Bootstrap. It makes coding easy. If you know Bootstrap, then that's all. So I have used Font Awesome too. So Font Awesome is you can see these icons, like here icon, this icon. These are not any images or anything. These are just a font. Like these are the font. Same. These are fonts. You can change this size as pixel or rem. It is easy. You can use fonts. And jQuery, yes, jQuery I have used. Starting from this is about a small description about what is a website about. Next step, uh, next part is this language. So in Maharashtra, people speak various languages like mostly Marathi. So Marathi, Hindi. I added this Google Translator. The Google just provide a script, so we can embed that script in our code. So you can see, like, I will change this language to let's say sorry, maybe it's Marathi, yes. So you can see the whole website changes into Marathi language. So it will be user friendly. Like if anyone don't know English, so they will know Marathi. We'll change it to in English. Okay. So this is class model class. Like if you click on this, it provides a guide how you can use this website, header, body, footer. All these are bootstrap classes. Like if you refresh, this comes first. This is an this is also an update. Sorry, this is also a model class. This is saying data of other districts will be updated soon. I have updated some of the some of the districts. Soon I will update all these districts of Maharashtra. So coming to a search location, this is this is not about a bootstrap. I have made it myself, like using CSS, because I search on bootstrap 5. It is not available. I wanted like a search option where if you put any, like if you put any name, it will get Mumbai, like Mumbai suburban. So if you click on this any location, it will redirect to new location, new page. I will put this. Okay, so you can see this is Mumbai suburban. The data is all provided for Mumbai suburban. This is an alert box, bootstrap alert box. You can cancel it. Yes, here too it is same language. So these are hide, close, hide and close. Oh, sorry, hide and open, hide and hide, hide and hide. So these are all classes of bootstrap. If I look on oxygen, these are tables which feel like this name, location, where oxygen is provided on this location, and you can contact this and verify it when last verified it. So this was of oxygen, same beds, plasma, ventilators, and ICU. So this was about Mumbai suburban. You can close it. And also you can search others location too. So this is about note. Same thing. It says like this website is designed for only Maharashtra state and will be updated soon for other states too. So this is like wear mask, keep social distancing, and yes, stay home and stay safe. And these are important links. Like after clicking, you can see the slider coming from the right. uh, it is called something off canva in bootstrap. Like if you click, it will slide from right. These are some important links like get plasma. These are for all over the India. Like anyone want plasma from any state from India, you can go on this, or oxygens any else. Coming downwards, like about creators, like aha, this card is called carousel something in bootstrap. In simple word, it is an image slider. As you can see who all helped me. So and it also has a timer, automatically slides. And this is a footer, like something all right reserved help. And yes, if you want, uh, well, you can see if you want to be a part of our team, you can go and email us on this. We will get in touch with you. It will be very helpful for us also, and for other people also. Like we will get more information. And this is a help, same COVID help desk, and this is a terms and condition. You can read this. This is a main part in website when you host a website. And also you can see a scroll bar here. This is made with CSS. On hover it changes color. And main thing, it is responsive. If it is bootstrap, it is obviously responsive. So you can see your mobile view slides from up to down. You can scroll it. Yes, this is what I wanted to tell you all. And also a logic behind this website. And you can also create this within minimum amount of time. It is easy to make. this website with Bootstrap. If you know Bootstrap, then very well. So you can share this website. I will give the link of this website in description. You can share with others and let's help others too. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And yes, take care and thank you for watching.